Imagine the perfect computer. It shouldn't be a heavy, loud plastic tower that pins you to a desk in a dark room. It shouldn't be a complex, overheating laptop that burns your lap while you try to answer emails on the couch. It should be a single, beautiful pane of glass. A device that seamlessly transforms to fit your exact reality, becoming a movie theater when you want to relax, a notebook when you need to learn, a canvas when you want to create, and a powerhouse workstation when it is time to get to work. For over a decade, this has been the ultimate promise of the tablet. Yet, for most of that time, regular users have been forced to make a painful compromise. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. You either bought a cheap, sluggish entry-level tablet that felt like a blown-up smartphone, or you were forced to spend a massive fortune on a pro-tier device just to get an experience that didn't lag. But the entire digital landscape has shifted. With the arrival of the Apple iPad 12th generation, the boundary between everyday value and absolute professional-grade performance has been completely erased. For years, the standard baseline iPad was treated by the tech community as the default choice for schools, kids, or casual media consumption. It was the reliable, basic slate you bought when you didn't want to think too much about specifications. But with this newest generation, Apple has done something incredibly aggressive. They didn't just give it a minor cosmetic tweak or a recycled processor from an old phone. They completely re-architected what a baseline digital canvas is capable of achieving. They brought features, processing architecture, and display intelligence that used to be strictly locked behind the expensive premium lineups straight to the most accessible model in the family. This move forces every single student, professional, creator, and everyday tech user to stop and ask a massive pressing question. Is the iPad 12th Gen now so remarkably capable that buying a more expensive laptop or tablet is officially a waste of money, or is there a hidden catch buried in this beautiful chassis that Apple is desperately hoping you won't notice until after you buy it? To truly understand why this device is causing such massive ripples across the entire consumer tech market, we have to look past the elegant aluminum casing and dive directly into the cutting-edge silicon architecture running the show. The brain inside the iPad 12th generation represents a monumental leap in mainstream computing efficiency. We aren't talking about a simple clock speed bump that looks good on a marketing chart but feels exactly the same in real life. This chip changes the fundamental rules of how a mobile operating system handles heavy workloads. Built on an incredibly dense, advanced manufacturing node, this processor crams billions of microscopic transistors into a tiny layout, optimizing power delivery down to the nanosecond. What this means for you from the exact moment you wake up the device is absolute, uninterrupted responsiveness. When you swipe through your system, open dense applications, or jump between multiple heavy web browsers, the interface moves with an absolute, glassy smoothness. The multi-core layout intelligently segregates tasks. When you are doing basic things like reading an article, writing a document, or streaming high-definition content, the iPad operates on an incredibly tiny sip of energy, keeping the back of the device completely cool to the touch and preserving hours of battery life. But the second you demand heavy performance, whether you are exporting a high-resolution video project, running a graphically intense local application, or compiling a dense spreadsheet, the high-performance cores engage instantly, delivering an absolute tidal wave of speed without a single microstutter. But sheer processing speed is only one side of the coin. Where this new generation truly separates itself from its predecessor